Good morning, all of you. Today we will continue with the new chapter, and the name of the chapter is The Cario Murder Case. Okay, so in this chapter, we will understand this mysterious story of a murder case. Okay, and there are some characters, for example, Sir Danvers, Cario, Mr. Utterson, Mr. Hyde, and a female maid. Okay, so these are the four important characters in this story. Okay, so let's begin with the story. Okay, now we are talking about a murder case. Okay, so there was a house, and in that house there was a maid servant. Okay, she was living alone in the house, and after completing her work she was going to bed. Okay, after that she was standing near the window and she was seeing outside the window. Okay, so now she was dreaming, or you can say she was musing, and she was seeing outside. Suddenly she saw that there were two people going on the roadside. Okay, so she had seen that the one of them was a very good person. He was a small gentleman, and he was a very good person. He was looking good, and he was having silver hair. On the other side, the other person she has seen was a person with a small stature. Okay, and she recognized that person as Mr. Hyde. Okay, because Mr. Hyde has once visited to her master, and she did not like that person. Okay, now at that time he was having a heavy cane. Okay, and with that heavy cane he was fiddling. Fiddling means he was playing carelessly. Okay, and he was not having any patience, and he was in a flame of anger. You can say he was very angry. Okay, and he was behaving like a madman. Okay, at that time what happened, Mr. Hyde was crossing all his limits, and what he has done at that time, he has trampling his victim. What he has done, he was moving on the victim, means he was walking on somebody. Who was that somebody? Mr. means at that time he was a victim, and that victim name was Sir Danvers Cario. So he was killing Sir Danvers Cario. After seeing this entire incident, after seeing this dangerous sight and sound, the maid fainted, means she has lost her conscience. Okay, after that she when she woke up at 2 o'clock, then she called the police, and then she narrated the entire story to the police. Okay, she said that Mr. Hyde was a very dangerous person, and he was behaving like a madman, and he was having a weapon, and that weapon was very tough, and it was of a heavy wood, and he was beating with that heavy wood in a very cruel manner that the stick broken into two pieces, and one of the pieces was rolled into the neighboring gutter. Okay, and the other piece was taken by the murderer with him, and there were some things which was found near the victim. Who was the victim? Sir Danvers Cario. There was a purse and a gold watch. Okay, these were the two things which were found near the victim, and there was a letter also who was written for Mr. Utterson. Okay, then because of the letter we reached to Mr. Utterson, and then we have narrated the entire story to Mr. Utterson. Then Mr. Utterson went to the police station for identifying the body. Okay, then he identified the body, that this body belongs to Sir Danvers Cario, and he was in a very much grief, means he was very sad that Sir Danvers Cario was no more. Okay, but now his eyes was lightening up, with professional ambition. He was a lawyer, and now he decided that he will find out the culprit, he will find out the murderer at any cost. Okay? He will find out the broken stick, and then he will find out the murderer. Okay? Now, after listening about Mr. Utterson, he was showing some fear. Okay? Now, what happened that they decided that they will go to Mr. Hyde. And now, Mr. Utterson was asking that Mr. Hyde is what? He is a person of a small stature, means he is a person of a small height. And he was also having a wicked looking person. He was also wicked looking. He was evil looking person. So, now they have decided that they will go to Mr. Hyde home. Okay, now they were going to Mr. Hyde home. When the cab was rolling, when the cab was going slowly, the street was dreary. Dreary means all the street were dreary. There were no people going here and there. And Mr. Utterson was feeling very, very sad because Sir Danvers Carew was murdered in a very cruel manner with that stick, with that cane. Okay, and who have killed that person? Mr. Hyde. Okay. So, as the cab drew up, they were going, and there was some grubby eating house, a very bad type of eating house. Okay, now, some shops were also found there. They were selling some cheap goods. Okay. Now, and there were some people also which belonged to different nations. They were also moving in the street. Now, when they reached Mr. Hyde home, then a caretaker opened the house, and then she was looking, she was also having silver hair. Her face was ivory, okay, and she was a hypocrite woman, okay. She was thinking some other thing and she was saying some other thing. So now they were asking, police and Mr. Utterson, both of them were asking that where is Mr. Hyde. So now she answered that Mr. Hyde rarely visit to the home, and he was not at home since 2 months. Okay, before yesterday, means yesterday he has visited the home, but for 2 months he has not visited home. Now, investigator and Mr. Utterson was saying that tell me where is his room. We will visit the room of Mr. Hyde. So now she was saying that you can't go there. So now investigators were saying you cannot stop me because I am Inspector of Scotland Yard. Okay. So now a flash of odious joy appeared upon the woman's face. Means sudden bright light appeared on the woman's face, and now she questioned that what happened. Mr. Hyde is in trouble. So now Utterson and Inspector were seeing each other that what is going on here. Now they went to the room of Mr. Hyde, but the entire house was furnished with luxurious things, okay, and it was having a silver cutlery, food, and all the things were very luxurious. The table was set with silver cutlery. Silver cutlery was present on the table, and a very good furniture was present there. So they were very much surprised by seeing all these things. So now what happened that when they entered to the room of Mr. Hyde, the entire room was ransacked. Means everything was placed here and there. It was like that someone was there in a hurry and everything was placed here and there. Drawers were opened and all the things were placed here and there. There were so many people which were present here and there. Okay, and most important thing is that drawers were opened and there were so many things through which we can find out. So now what happened that now they decided that they will find out who is the culprit. Then they suddenly find out that the half of the stick were found there, and that with the half stick they decided that Mr. Hyde is the culprit, he was the murderer and he has done the murder. So now they have to find out the poster of Mr. Hyde, and they will publish the poster of Mr. Hyde so that he can be captured and he can be arrested. But the very difficult task is that to find out Mr. Hyde, because no one knew Mr. Hyde, and most important thing is that because he was never photographed, and it was very difficult also to trace Mr. Hyde family. Okay, so that is why it was very difficult. So they decided that they will keep silence, they will wait, because no one can live without money, and for taking out the money he will definitely came out, and then we will arrest that person. Okay, so this was the story. Hope you have understand the story properly. Thank you.